Hello guys, Mehul here, back again with another new video. So at last, one of my favorite app creators have come up with their new map, and today we're gonna be showcasing that only. So let me get straight into the video, not video, into the app. So if you guys check out my Twitter account, you guys will see that there is a progress bar going on. Like, you should visit my Twitter account and follow me, and I will follow you back if I find you interesting. Okay, and whatever. But you can see here is a progress bar going on. So this progress bar is for what? This is for the follower counts. Like, I wanna achieve a target of follower count, and this progress bar shows how much target I have achieved till now. But this is quite old. Like, this app is quite old. Like, for this feature is quite old. Now the app maker Tony, so he have created another new great tool or utility, that is, you can now dynamically change your cover picture also. Not only the profile picture, you can dynamically change your cover picture also. And as you can see, here is a lot of templates. Like, here he is showing that how many subscriber he wanna get, what is his target. Here is his target progress bar. Here he's obviously his name. Here, if you react with any of the emojis on his tweets, that will appear here obviously. And here are the latest three followers of him. Okay, so obviously he is a great app maker who have made this possible. I don't know how, but it's great. And the app name is Black Magic. It really does black magic, right? And the website is blackmagic.so. Here, a simple to use app. Here you have to just sign in with your Twitter account, and that's it. Yes, that's it. Here is the progress bar, obviously, that I have told you earlier. Here is the progress bar. Okay, you can obviously simulate the progress bar and see how it's looking when you will get to the target. Okay, and here obviously you can choose colors. And to unlock new colors, obviously there is a pro version, but I will come to the pro version later. But let me show you all of the features first. Here is a sleep indicator that indicates your sleep hours, right? And here is a big picture. Actually, those are pictures. Like, here you can pull out all of the pictures of your followers, either of your followers or someone you are following. The whole follower list will show up here, and you can obviously generate a picture from that. And here is the real-time banner. He has launched it just today. At first this was in beta version, and they have stopped the beta version like few days ago, I think. And now they have launched the whole app. How cool is that? And here are the membership pricing that I'm gonna be talking about right now. The pro version, basically. So basically, you can get everything for free, obviously everything for free. But if you want to have no limits, like no limitation for members, obviously it will refresh in every 30 seconds to to see if there is a new follower or not, or updating the banner, obviously. And for future tools, it will be price same, and that's it. Like, it's really a great option to have, obviously. So try it yourself, I think. What else can I say? Try it yourself. If you like it, let me know in the comments if you liked it or not. And if you like my contents, please do subscribe to my channel. And if you know some of the great cool app like this is really cool, I'm gonna giving you a shout out today, like, really. So please let me know in the comments if you know about some of these cool apps, so I can feature them in my next video. So bye.